The festival, which is organized by the Association for the Preservation of Cultural Heritage in Africa, attracted participants from Brazil, South Africa, Benin, Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana, Nigeria, Haiti and France. The festival's aim is to provide a platform for both Africans on the continent and those in the diaspora to connect with their African heritage.
It's just a passion for African culture. We love everything that is African. We love our songs and dances, and we do not want to lose them. That is why we ask everyone to come here.
We see that our common traditions are well kept, well preserved. Brazil can be considered as a second African country. Half of the Brazilian population can trace its roots here. We share the same traditions. We are very proud to be there with our Ballet Folclórico de Bahia.
Those in attendance consider the festival a success because it provides the opportunity to showcase their cultural practices.
We came to present the Togolese culture, to promote our country. Gwelede is a traditional dance that occurs in two conditions. At big traditional parties, we dance Gwelede.
The Festival of Black Divinities was established in 2006 and initially focused on promoting traditional religions and Togolese initiation societies. However, the initial focus has evolved and many African cultures have now been incorporated. The event organizers are now aiming to attract more participants from across the globe. Ndebu, CCTV.